Namaste everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ashwin's Astrology. Planet Mars, Kuja and Jupiter, who is known as Guru, will be in a close conjunction in Rohini Nakshatra of Vrishab Rashi from 10th of August to 22nd of August. Planet Mars, as we all know, is Bhumi Putra and Vrishab Rashi is a Prithvi Tattva Rashi. So these two outer planets in such a close conjunction in Venus Rashi, Vrishab Rashi, which is a Prithvi Tattva Rashi, definitely triggers earthquake and landslide kind of natural calamities, especially in northeast direction or in southern region. Because Jupiter represents northeast direction and Jupiter is very much important to be afflicted to give these results. Because of Mars Jupiter being in conjunction, Mars will get the qualities of Jupiter and Jupiter will get the qualities of Mars. So Jupiter will deliver the result and hence we have to choose the direction of Jupiter, and that's why these kind of earthquake or landslide may happen to the northeast side of our country, and it could be any northeast states of our country or even the countries northeast to us. So this is very much expected right now. Also, this is happening in the Lagna Rashi of India's independence Kundli, and we are already witnessing a lot of pressure on India also from geopolitical scenarios. We are facing this issue in the northeast country who is a neighbor Bangladesh perspective, from their perspective also. If we observe the kind of incidents which has happened in last 1 week. Also, it is happening in Venus Rashi, which represents women. So, coincidentally or as per the logic, if we see from Vedic astrology, this was very much indicated. And over the time now, Mars Jupiter being in such a close conjunction, Indian army might be deployed in the borders of northeast direction, and also they might be given higher authority also to maintain the security in the borders of a country, especially in the northeast side. So we can expect some kind of ceasefire or some kind of problems in the northeast side of borders of a country as well. So natural calamity is one expected, and also this security threat to the country is also very much expected during this time period. Apart from this, a woman at a very high authoritative position who is from a northeast side of position, or someone who is very strict and adamant for their views, will also see now to be in trouble, and this is also because of the conjunction of Mars Jupiter in Venus Rashi, because Venus represents that feminine energy, and Vrishab Rashi being the first feminine Rashi in the whole zodiac, we can definitely expect this. So this time period could be a bit problematic for a woman also who is at a very high position. Also, Mars Jupiter being in Vrishab Rashi is in Kendra to Buddha and Shukra in the Simha Rashi. So currently Buddha and Shukra are in close conjunction in Simha Rashi, and Shani is opposite to them in Kumbh Rashi. So if seeing from the Kalpurush Kundli perspective, Buddha Shukra is in the 5th Rashi, which is Simha Rashi, and Shani is in the 11th Rashi, which is its own house, that is Kumbh Rashi. Because Mercury, who is retrograde, Vakri in the 5th house, and Shani, who is also Vakri in the 11th house, we could see the kind of volatility we are witnessing across the global markets. Recently, Japanese stock exchange also did experience that kind of a crash that it even shook the Indian markets as well. So we can expect that kind of events much more during this 12-15 days period also. Not just that, Japan as a country also is in some kind of problems for the next 12 to 15 days. So it is because even Japan falls in the northeast direction of India. So we can expect the results which I did mention, the predictions which I mentioned couple of minutes ago. Also to note, Sun, who is in Karka Rashi right now, on 16th of August will move to Simha Rashi. At those 2-3 days, that is 14th, 15th and 16th of August, Mars Jupiter will be in the same degree in Vrishab Rashi, and we can see that during that time even Moon also will be transiting in Tula Rashi and next to Vrishchik Rashi. So during the same period when all the 7 planets are in Kendra to each other, we can expect some major decision taken by Indian government. So please do watch out for the news and current affairs on a daily basis, because this next 10 to 15 day time period is highly important for our country from all the angles, not just from the security purpose, not from the stock market purpose, from all the angles. And that's why we may even expect some high profile events also during this 12 to 15 day time period. India is definitely currently under pressure because Mars is exerting that pressure on Jupiter, and for India's Lagna, Jupiter is the 8th lord in the Lagna and Mars is the 12th lord in the Lagna, also the 7th lord. Even Jupiter is also 11th lord, but taking the Mula Trikona houses, as planets tend to give the results of their Mula Trikona Rashi first, then to the Samanya Rashi. So I am taking the 8th and 12th. So 8th and 12th are not good houses, and they coming and sitting in the Lagna of our India's independence Kundli definitely indicates some major problems for our country. And Mars indicates the army, Jupiter indicates advisors. So we may see a lot of discussions, lot of meetings happening, and some major decisions will be taken. Jupiter also represents the banking and financial sector. So during this time period, as Jupiter is afflicted with Mars and also in Kendra to all the planets, so some great advisors or some diplomatic decisions also would be taken, because Saturn, who is the Yoga Karaka for our country, is in the 10th house and is Vakri there, and Buddha, who is the communication Karaka, he is in the 4th house in Simha Rashi. So the next 12-15 days we can see some miscommunication also, and some problems also in terms of technology also will surface. As soon as Mercury entered Simha Rashi, passing through the Gandanta, we did witness this. And now even when Sun transits over this Gandanta in Karka Rashi and then moves to Simha Rashi, so in the same 2-3 day time period, that is 13, 14, 15, 16th of August, these 3-4 days, definitely we will witness some unpleasant events for which we have to be brave enough to accept it. So some major decisions will be taken. Natural calamities are expected, because it doesn't occur very often that all the 7 planets in Kendra to each other. So Mars, Jupiter in Vrishab Rashi, Buddha, Shukra, and then with Surya from 16th August in Simha Rashi. Then Moon, who goes to Vrishchik Rashi and gets debilitated there for 2.5 days. That is also very important, because Moon loses his Moon loses his strength there in Vrishchik Rashi, and Moon is the current Mahadasha Lord for our country also. And Shani, who is the Yoga Karaka, who is in Vakri position. So even Mahadasha Lord of our country's current time period is also in loss of strength. So all these planetary positions, definitely I can say this is a big time period where we can expect some unpleasant events. So let's hope that nothing major disaster occurs to our country, and let's pray that we will sail through with the blessings of Mata Parvati and Bhagwan Shiva. So this was my predictions which I wanted to make for this close conjunction of Mars, Jupiter, and also all the planets being in Kendra to each other. So I hope you like this. Please do drop in your feedback or suggestions in the comment box, and also please let me know if you are expecting any kind of topic to be made as video in my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also spread the word among your family and friend circle. Namaste.